I said, we're seeing the sector shrink a little bit, but maybe 1 or 2%. Number of landlords down by more like 7 to 10%. So what that means is people are consolidating. And in this sort of space where people will consolidate, the current conventional wisdom in the marketplace is if you've got a portfolio of resi and it's worth less than about 100 million quid, if you want to move it on, you've got to sell it at a 20 to 25% discount. That's what everyone from CBRE to We Buy Any Home will tell you the same thing pretty much on that front. Above that, it starts to get more interesting. Those parameters are going to change. And it's going to be much more interesting at 3, 4, 5 million once people have got stuff. Because if you go out to me and say, well, I've got a blank check, just buy me stuff, but I'm not interested in anything under 100 million, I'm not going to bring you a lot of portfolios. There aren't many out there, let alone whether they want to sell them at a workable price. You're dealing with a handful of individuals and companies, realistically, at that sort of level. That's going to change. So the scope of how you exit. In terms of buying, I think as well, the world in 2026, I think, is going to split even more for and against people who've implemented AI well in their day-to-day activities.